Hello everyone. We are going to use the next challenge that is the this one that is an Golang challenge. In order to solve this, I prefer to convert that code on Python because I think it's easier for us. But basically, in this challenge, we are provided by the 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 Golang file and also the encrypted string that is supposed to be the flag, right? So we need to figure out how we can decrypt it. So I prefer to convert that function into to Python, right? So basically, this file is sorry, this function is the init function that is called before the main code, right? But anyway, I just go to ChatGPT and copy that file and created the challenge here. So we pasted the same code that is in Golang to Python. Great. So let's see. Okay. So now we need to figure out how we can decrypt it. So the first thing that we need to know is that first of all they just encrypt the flag that is hard coded on the file and it's just iterated in this loop and just adding to the list. The auth function is just converting the for example the string into the integer or decimal, right? So it's converted to decimal and it's just added to the to this variable that is initialized as 0. So that is also converted to char that is just a string, right? Is the reverse function of auth. Finally, this is just the b is just a movement into this variable. So, for example, if we have an example, we can, for example, use the SkyDraw. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is just for example. If we the first string is an I, so if I is just to 105 in the decimal value, we can check in on the CyberChef website. So we can from decimal and just to put the I, oh sorry, from decimal. So that's it. It's the I, right? So okay, so we have this string that is the first letter of the flag, and this is just sorry. Okay, what the hell is this one? Okay, sorry. So okay, we have this is that this is B, and we have also 0. This is the first one iteration, right? So and this is also that is B. Okay. Okay. After that, it's just it's we need to do B plus C, and this is appending to I don't know how to put that. depending to the runned list. Okay. 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 Now the next iteration is just we have as theta seed as 105, and we have the B will be the R letter that is just one. I think is just this one. So let's see. R is just 4 114. So of course we have to add this value, and this I think is just this one. I don't know. Uh, yeah. So we have the value here, and this value is the value that is supposed to be an high value. This value is not an ASCII represent doesn't have an ASCII representation. So this is the reason that we have in our file the encrypted string that is not ASCII representable. So that is the thing, right? So what we can do in the reverse mode. So we need to, so if we have the first string that also is I, if we can check here in the notepad, we have the first is the I because it's the first string that didn't have any sum because it's added to 0. So of course it's obvious that it's I. So that is the reason that we need to apply the reverse. The reverse is just doing some stuff like it's just doing this one, and we will get the correct error. So that is the challenge. It's easier for us because we don't need it any kind of reverse engineering binaries or something like that. You just need to figure out on the source code that the source code is easier, it's baby level difficulties. So that's it. So we are going to do the solver, that the solver I have already done because I solved it, the challenge right now. So let me to copy that on this modify that's fine, that's it, right? So we need to, of course we don't need it the flag because it's read from the file. So in Python we can use for example this, and using the same statement here, that is the try an exception, that is very nice to use, and we are using the with open and the R that is indicated to that is just a read file as file, and we need to do that. Init will be the decryption function, for example, decryption, no, decrypt file, decrypt flag, no flag, for example. Yeah, we just need to use this one, but we don't need it right now. And also we need to read the file and strip the content. So file, and this will be the encrypted flag, and this encrypted flag will be the variable, the parameter, sorry, that is passing to the decrypt function. Okay, so we have it right now, the encrypted flag here, We don't need anymore the global variable flag because it's not needed for this, and we need to use this as an extra decimal string because this type of data is a string in Python, and now we need to iterate it in the flag, and this is a string, and we will need to use the auth because it's a string and we need to convert to the decimal value of that string, so we need to use this one, and of course we need to use the reverse because I explained it on the Excalibur now. Yeah, I need to use the runneth the last position of the list, and this is setting on this variable. Okay, so and this will return. Okay, sorry, runneth. Okay, sorry. Um, I hope that is working. If not, I don't know what will. Okay. Mm, uh, function the grid is not the string. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Oh, okay. Oh my God. We need to use the return value that the function, not the function object of whatever. Okay. Now it's working. So we have here the string of the flag currently decrypted. So that's it. I think that challenge is so wavy for, and this will be nice for who people that like to learn new introduction stuffs like reverse engineering. So I hope that this video will be useful for you if you are not solved that challenge or whatever. So thank you very much for all. Bye bye.